Welcome back, children. Today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, word inserting graphics. First of all, we have adding shapes. In MS Word we have so many shapes already installed and we can use those shapes in our Word document. So many shapes like arrows, clouds, squares, stars, flowchart shapes and many more. Children, if any shape which we don't have in these shapes option, we can also create that shape by the help of joining lines or other shapes, and we can also have a pen tool in shapes that we can draw any shape and use them in our Word document as per our requirement. Children, let me show you how to insert a shape in your Word document. First you have to click on Insert tab. Then you can see a shapes button in the illustration group. You have to click here. You can see a number of shapes are available here. Let's imagine if I want to draw a rectangle. First I will click here and then I have to click and drag. Now you can see a shape is inserted in my document, and a format tab also came and a ribbon which is showing different options to format your shape. Children, we can also increase and decrease the size of shape by the handlers, and we can also rotate our shape according to our need, like this. So children, you can also change the colors, fill color, inside color, anything, whatever you need, you can format your shape according to your need. Children, the next topic we have, that is drop cap. By the help of drop cap, we can increase the size of first letter of our paragraph to enhance its look. So let us see how we can do that. First we have to select the paragraph. After that, in the Insert tab, text group, we got the drop cap option. When you will click on drop down arrow, you can see there are two options available with the drop cap, first one and second one. You can see the preview, and you can choose any one which is required by you. Next topic we have border and shading. To give border and shading to our page, first we have to click on Home tab, and then here on the borders, last topic you will get border and shading. So children, when you will choose border and shading, you will get all these options here. I am again repeating the steps for you. First you have to click on Home tab, then on this drop down arrow, and you will get the last option, border and shading. Then you will get this dialog box of border and shading. You can see none is selected by default. So you can click on page border and choose box, and you can choose the style of line, you can choose the color of line, and you can also choose the width, like this. You can also choose different styles, but here I am going to take the line only and click on OK. Now you can see a border is coming around my page. So children, if you don't need the border, then you can also remove that by clicking on the same and click on none and click on OK. Sorry, I have not selected the page border, so again I am going to do that. Border and shading, page border, none, and OK. Now you can see now border is removed. Children, if you have done something meaningful, then it is very important to save it in the memory of your PC. So how we can save? First you have to click on File, then you have to choose the option Save As, then the location where you want to save your file. Here I want to save my file in the by default. The first line of the paragraph is coming, but I don't need all the full line. I need only digital India. So others I will delete. So now you can see that digital India is written here. Then I will click on save. Now my file is saved with the title Digital India, and its extension is by default .docx. You can also save your document by the help of Ctrl+S key. Children, if you need a hard copy of your document, you can also print that. To print your document, first you have to click on File, then you have to click on Print. You can see a print preview of your file here also, and you can set the settings from here, that the size and copies, and then you have to click on Print. Here printer is not attached with my laptop, that's why it will not show you anything. But if first you have to see that your printer should on and it should be attached with your PC or laptop, and when you will give the print command, it will start printing your document and you will get a hard copy of it. Children, there are a lot of shortcut keys that you can use by the keyboard at the place of mouse. So you have to learn these shortcut keys. They will make you more efficient and your work will be more easy. So if you want to save a document, you can use Ctrl+S to print a document, Ctrl+P to undo the last action, you can use Ctrl+Z. And if you want to redo that action which you have done undo by the Ctrl+Z or by a undo key, you can also do Ctrl+Y. Then copy selected text, Ctrl+C to cut that text or any other text from there, then Ctrl+X to paste the cutted or copied text, you can use Ctrl+V. Ctrl+B is used for making the text bold. For italic we will use Ctrl+I. Ctrl+U will underline your text. First you should select it, and Ctrl+A will select the whole document, and center align the text by Ctrl+E, left align by Ctrl+L, and right align by Ctrl+R. So these are the shortcut keys that you have to learn by heart. Now your chapter is over. Children, you have to read the chapter carefully and learn the shortcut keys given on the last page of your chapter. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.